My testimony is actually to encourage someone. There are things you can take so lightly, and there are things you really have to take into consideration. And I'm talking about the oil. When Pastor talked about us dipping our hands in the oil, it reminds me about the oil that sits back there. It troubles my heart sometimes when I see that oil sitting there. Because like I always say, if we know the power that is in that oil, it will not be sitting there. I was looking for a job. Actually, I had trouble with IRS, so you know what that means. So I needed a part-time job to make it up. And I went and applied someplace before, and they said when you take the test and you pass the test, then they will do the interview. So I took the test, and they interviewed me, which means I passed the test. But after like a week, I did not hear from them. So my friend Evelyn, she worked for that company, and she said, call them. And when I called them, the lady told me, well, you have to come back and take the test. I said, well, I passed the test, and you interviewed me. So why are you telling me to come? The devil is a liar. Then I said, no, this cannot be. I remember Pastor saying in church that some things you have to go for it. You have to aggress to get it back. I said, I'm not going to sit back. There are other places. So I went and applied someplace again. Sister Grace, I use for reference. You know, just for you to believe what I'm saying. Sister Fatima over there, I use for reference. And they called. The first time I went there when they called me, the human resource lady was not really pleasant to me. For whatever reason, I don't know. So, but I did fill the application and everything. I did the interview, and I came back. And I think a week after, before we have all this heavy snow, she called for 2 references. I actually have 3 work references and 3 personal references. And she talked to 2 people. The third person, and she called, and the person said, well, I'm busy with a client, can I call you back? And she said, it's not necessary. You know, that's how she is. And then I talked to Sister Fatima back there, and she said, well, if they said it's not necessary, which means she's okay with the 2 people. So don't worry about it, just pray. So after the snow, I think Sunday, after the preaching here with that fire, and I said, you know what, I'm not going to wait. I'm going to call them.
Someone do without fire.
I said, I'm going to call them tomorrow. And it was not even the Monday morning. It was not even 9 o'clock. I started getting this call back and forth, and I was going to my other job, and I look at my phone, and something clicked me. It's that lady calling. And I went to the bathroom because I'm not supposed to be on the phone on my job. And I went to the bathroom, and I called her, and she said, oh yeah, Miss Sally, can you come to the office? We offer you the job. I want you to come and do paperwork.
Are you just looking like that?
Yes.
Can you clap for the Lord Jesus?
I told the Papa after service in the church, I said, I'm not even going to let you know. I want you guys to believe. Faith is one thing. This is exactly what I told him in the office. You already prayed. I'm not going to allow you to pray for me again. God has answered already. Tomorrow I'm going to call these people. So I went with that faith, and I didn't even call. But they called me. This lady that was so mean to me. Today I went to the office. That's all. It's powerful. Please stand. I did not put on my cream, nothing. I just soaked myself with that oil and put it on me, and I went. And I went, she said, can you come 9 o'clock? So me and her were together in my office. As soon as I get there, and they called me inside. As soon as she went me there, this lady put all this package to fill all this form. I could not believe the lady I'm seeing, that the lady I saw the first time. She was so nice. Everything changed. You know what I'm telling you here. And then I applied for part-time anywhere, like, can you call this person? Can you call this person? They want you to offer you more hours if you're willing to work. I said, wow. This is the power of the oil. So I just want to encourage you. And this, I always say that if you know what is sitting behind there, it will not be sitting. It does work. You have to have faith. And your targets, like Pastor said, don't focus on somebody. Focus on yourself. Because when I leave this church, and when I go, now I feel like my body was so heavy, but now I feel like a different person because I know I have the fire on me. Nobody else.
Awesome.